Welcome to Enuani language class. Today we are going to be looking at Introduction to Enuani language, which is our first class. And we are going to do it in English until we get to the stage where we will start speaking Enuani. Enuani is a dialect of the Igbo language, primarily spoken by the Enuani people in Delta State, Anambra State, Imo State, and Rivers State, Nigeria, specifically in the Anyocha-Oshimili, Onitsha, Oguta, Ogbaru, and Ndoni region. We happen to be from Anyocha-Oshimili. In Anyocha-Oshimili, we have 4 local governments: Anyocha South, Anyocha North, Oshimili North, and Oshimili South. Oshimili South is where you have the capital of Delta State now, which is Asaba. Anyocha South has its headquarters in Ogwashuku, and we speak Enuani. The whole of these 4 local governments that I mentioned speak Enuani. Enuani is remarkably one of the most versatile versions of the Igbo language, exhibiting mutual intelligibility with other Igbo dialects, where Igbo communities are indigenous. Delta, Edo, Kogi, Benue State, Rivers State, Cross River State, Bayelsa State, Anambra State, Imo State, Enugu State, Abia State, and Ebonyi State. These are states where Igbo language are spoken, and these are states where if you speak Enuani, they will understand what you are saying. I know this because I use Enuani to do my teachings on my page, and people from all these 13 states follow me and they understand what I say. While rooted in Igbo, Enuani has incorporated loan words from the neighboring Idu. Idu is what we call Edo or Bini.